Here's an ASE G1 test question for you. Technician A says a spin-on oil filter needs to be tightened with a wrench until it's tight. Technician B says a spin-on oil filter needs to be tightened by hand until the gasket comes in contact with the block and turned a specified amount. Who is correct? Technician A or Technician B?
This video is sponsored by Fram, manufacturers of high-quality filters since 1934. Visit fram.com to learn more.
The answer is Technician B. The majority of light vehicle oil filters do not need a wrench for installation, and tightening a filter too much can cause a leak. Why? The gasket can become fully compressed and the groove that holds the gasket can be crushed. This can cause a major leak once the engine is started and the oil filter is under oil pressure. For the majority of canister oil filters, the installation method is to hand tighten the oil filter until the gasket makes contact with the engine. Many filters will have instructions and even marks printed on the side of the filter to show how far the filter should be tightened. Once contact is made, turn the filter the specified amount, which can be anywhere from a quarter turn to a full turn. By using this method, you'll ensure the gasket is compressed to the correct amount. Just remember to never over-tighten, as doing so can increase the chance of leaks. This has been your ASE G1 test prep tip with tomorrow's technician. See you next time.